Good morning, Mr. Buffett, and good morning, Mr. Munger. My name is Monish Pabrai, and I'm from Long Grove, Illinois. I have been a student and disciple of yourself, Mr. Buffett, for some time, and especially Mr. Munger. And I have adopted quite intensely your theories on capital allocation in the manner in which I run my business as well as my portfolio, and quite pleased with the results so far. My question has to do with the original 1950s Buffett partnerships. There is some conflicting data in the various books about you pertaining to the rules of the partnership and the fees of the partnership. What I wanted to understand is, I think some of the books allude to the principal being guaranteed, I think 6% a year being guaranteed, and then you took a fourth and the partners got 3/4. In some cases they talk about 4%, in some cases they say there's no guarantee. I would just appreciate a clarification on that.
Okay, we'll make it short because I'm not sure how much general interest there is to that. But there was never any guarantee. There was a guarantee that I wouldn't get a penny myself. There was none of this 1% fee and all that sort of thing that hedge funds now normally have. After a short period of time, I told people I'd have all my capital in it, basically. So there was a guarantee I would have a common destiny. There was never any guarantee of principal of any sort. Originally, the thing started by accident, so that there were 11 different partnerships before they all got put together on January 1st, 1962 into Buffett partnerships. So with the 11 different partnerships, they had some different arrangements based on the preferences of the limited partners. I offered them an option of 3 or 4 different choices, and different families made different choices. When we put them together, we settled on the 6% preferential with a quarter of the profits over that, with a carry forward of all deficiencies. Nobody was guaranteed anything on them. Charlie had a much better partnership. His was the third, as I remember, wasn't it, Charlie?
Yes, but we were smaller